Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel reservation on Travelocity. To cancel a reservation on the Travelocity web app, these are the detailed steps that you need to take. First, open your web browser and go to Travelocity website. Then, go ahead and click on the login or the sign in option at the top right corner of the page of the web page to log in. You can log in using your account credentials. Now, once you are logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Travelocity. Now, once your account, just go ahead and click on the trips option, which is in the top right corner of the screen that is next to your profile name. Now, once you click on the trips tab, you'll be directed to the trip section where you can view your upcoming and past reservations. As you can see, I do not have reservation in here, but if you do, you have all of them organized here. The next thing you need to do is to select the reservation to cancel. So on the upcoming trips section, go ahead and find the reservation that you wish to cancel. Have you seen the reservation? Perfect. Now click on the specific reservation to view its details, and that's going to take you into the details page. Before proceeding, verify the cancellation policy for the booking. You should find the cancellation terms on this page, the page you're in, such as whether it is refundable or non-refundable. If the cancellation is allowed, look for the cancel reservation button on the reservation details page. Then click on cancel reservation. You may be asked to confirm your cancellation request. You may not. Now, a confirmation prompt to appear asking you to confirm the cancellation. So confirm your decision by clicking yes or confirm cancellation. After successful cancellation, you should receive a confirmation message on the website and an email confirming the cancellation of your reservation. I'd like you to know that depending on the cancellation policy, you may be refunded or you may receive credits for future travel. Review the confirmation email or the reservation page for details regarding the refund or credit process. Here's an alternative method. You can cancel via customer support. Now, if you encounter any issues canceling online or you need additional assistance, you can also contact Travelocity customer support for help with your cancellation. So just go to support option, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Select the support method, either live chat, phone support, or email support, anyone provided. Provide the necessary details such as a reservation number and request assistance in canceling the booking. It is important to review the terms and conditions for cancellation, as certain reservations may have penalties or non-refundable fees. Of course, ensure you cancel within a specified time frame to avoid penalties, especially for hotels or flights with strict cancellation policies. Also, if you're unable to cancel directly through the website, Travelocity's customer service team can guide you through the process. So by following the steps, you should be able to cancel your reservation successfully on the Travelocity web app. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.